Hey everybody, it's Rhonda, and in this video, we are going to compare the new Nano Banana 2 to Nano Banana Pro. It was just released today, and I've been told and I've been hearing that Nano Banana 2 is basically the same thing as Nano Banana Pro, only cheaper and faster. So we are going to try it out. We're going to run the same prompts in Nano 2 as we do in Nano Pro and see which one we like best. Is Nano 2 just as good for about half the cost? So I'm in here in Kittle to run this experiment, and I'm just going to come over here to my private community. Every day I give prompts for different designs and images and things like that. And I'm going to just grab a prompt from in here. I think I'm going to grab this dog mama prompt real quick. It's a patchwork applique style prompt for, like a t-shirt PNG. So let's come over here, and in this first artboard here on the left, we're going to paste the prompt in and we're going to run it with Nano Banana 2. Okay, and we're going to pop that right in there. And then in this one, we're going to run Nano Banana Pro. And you see in here in Kittle, Nano Banana Pro is 30 tokens and Nano Banana 2 is only 14. So if this is what they say it is, just as good as Pro, that's awesome because it is literally like half the cost. So let's give this a second and see. The Nano Banana 2 came out amazing. I absolutely love that. That would be a fantastic design for on a t-shirt or a tote bag or a hat or whatever, but that looks great. So let's see, and it's definitely faster than, and wow, I think Nano Banana 2 absolutely won that. I can remove the background from this one from Pro and see if it makes any difference, but I still feel like Nano 2 gave us the better results. I mean, they still gave good results. It's just a little bit different. I'm not sure I like the way Mama is written here, okay? So far that's one for Nano 2. Let's go grab another prompt, a different style. Here is baseball season in a faux rhinestone style. You can see it right there. So let's come back over and let's get rid of that prompt. And this time, this is Nano Banana Pro here. We'll pop that in. And then again, we will do Nano 2 and bring that over here to the left. And we'll give this a second and see which one is better. Okay, well, Nano 2 did finish just a hair before Nano Pro, but it is supposed, we started this one after. So it's definitely faster. I'm not really feeling this. I definitely like Nano Pro better for this one. But who knows? We could run them again and we could have a completely different result. But I'd say Nano Pro won this round. So let's go grab something else and see what we get. We already know that it does well with like the applique style. Let's come in here and grab, how about this Impasto oil paint style, the really thick Impasto look. So let's come in here and let's get rid of these. So it's, Nano 2 and Nano Pro each have one. Okay, so Nano 2 says it takes about 30 seconds and it costs 14 tokens. So let's pop that in there. And now let's do it again in Nano Pro that says 40 seconds and 30 tokens. And let's see if there's, so far I'm not seeing enough difference in these to justify the double cost for Nano Pro. I know that last image I thought Nano Pro did a better job, but again, you know, it's AI. Sometimes you just have to regenerate to get a better look. And you could run 2 generations of Nano 2, you know, for the same cost as Nano 1s or Nano Pro. So if you occasionally have to rerun a prompt, it's not that big of a deal. And yeah, this is like, you know, taken forever, but Nano 2 did a really great job with this really thick and heavy impasto oil painting style. So let's see what Nano Pro gives us. And I mean, it did a great job too. I like the little bit of extra that Nano 2 gave us, but you know, the quality is every bit as good as Nano Pro on this one. Definitely. Like I said, I think I like Nano 2 even a little better. So let me remove the background on this. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, so let's get rid of these and do just a couple more different styles, different looks. Okay, here's some like a painterly style painting right here. So let's see how it looks in Nano Pro. So that one comes over here, and Nano 2 on the left. We'll give them both just a little bit to generate. And you see this is still at 24, 23, and this is already down to 17. And we started Nano 2 after Nano Pro. So it is definitely faster, definitely faster. Okay, so that's what Nano 2 gave us. And I like that. That looks pretty darn good. Let's see what we get out of Nano Pro. Almost there, it says. Almost. Just hang on a second. Hopefully we'll get something here shortly. Okay, so we got a completely different look. I do think Nano Pro gave us more of a painterly look, but I think overall I still like Nano 2 a little better, a little better. What do you think? Which one do you think is winning the comparison here so far? Let's come and find something else. All right, how about this? Let's do this abstract watercolor and alcohol ink. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is from a bunch of different models, but let's do this one in Nano 2. Let's paste that in. I like trying out, you know, a bunch of different styles with this because, you know, one might be better at one particular style, another might be better at another. And this watercolor and alcohol ink is something that you never know. Okay, now I'm not a fan how it gave us, you know, like a painting, abstract painting, but of course that is how my prompt is written. It says alcohol ink painting. I should change that to illustration, and let's run that again in Pro with it saying illustration instead of painting, because painting implies, you know, it's on a canvas or something like that. And let's see what Nano Banana Pro does with that original prompt where it says painting. And then we'll run. Okay, so that did not give us, Pro did not give us the like painting itself. So that's good. But now let's run this with the prompt that says illustration, because I got to compare, you know, the same prompt word for word, because, you know, one word can change everything. So I like this. I like this Nano 2 over here. I like how that looks. I think that looks amazing. So let's see what Nano Pro is going to give us with the prompt changed to illustration. Now Nano Pro kind of gave us this border, but that's okay. You know, you can fix that easy enough by enlarging it just a hair. And I would say they are both kind of equal on this one. I don't think Pro did any better at all than Nano 2 did. All right, so again, I mean, I am just feeling that Nano 2 is every bit as good as Nano Pro for a lot less money. Let's do these geese, okay, in the faux yarn. Let's see how they both handle that. So let's paste that prompt in Nano 2 and Nano Pro. And it looks like, you know what I did? I goofed up. I didn't even run that illustration, that watercolor and alcohol ink the second time around. That was still Nano 2. I goofed up and forgot to change the model, but I'm not overly concerned. Okay, now this I'm not feeling because it's showing the t-shirt, and that is not what it's supposed to be doing, you know? It's supposed to end nowhere in here. Yeah, nowhere in here does it say t-shirt design or anything like that. So I'm not happy there. However, let's look at this. And if we can get rid of that, okay, see that t-shirt is completely gone with removing the background. So that looks pretty good. I like the texture and the yarn, like everything about that. I like everything about Nano Pro too, though. So again, you know, I'm not seeing enough of a difference. I mean, maybe the edges on this one are just a little bit different, but you know, I'm just not seeing enough of a difference to justify Nano Banana Pro being twice as much in credits. So let's come over here. Let's look. Let's do maybe one more. Let's do this clip art. Okay, this is a set of Planner Girl clip art right here. And let's run this and see how they do with this. So this is Nano Pro. So we'll pop that in, and then Nano 2, and we'll pop that in over here on the left and give it a second to generate the designs. Okay, so here are the clip art sets. And you know, I like Nano 2 better. I like the looks of it. I like the extra little elements it added. So I am really liking this Nano Banana 2. And from all the comparisons I did in this video, I think it's every bit as good as Nano Banana Pro. And you know, depending on where you're using this, you know, inside of, you know, different platforms. You know, I know it's available here inside of Kittl. I know it's available inside of My Designs, inside of Dream AI. If you haven't used it yet, give it a try. I think it is amazing. And for half the cost of Nano Pro, it is just great. All right. So if you have any questions, let me know, and let me know in the comments if you feel the same. Do you think Nano Banana 2 is just as good as Nano Banana Pro, or are you going to stick with Pro? Let me know. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Take a second to like and subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I hope you guys have a great evening, and I'll see you in the next video.